So this is the last Randonautica I'm doing for tonight. It's a police car. Now why? Because I just seen a police car passing us. So that's why.
Turn left onto Cedar Street.
It's in the alley. My friend went home, so he said, nah, he'll miss out on this one. I knew he would, but I'm gonna do this last one, and then I'm going home too. All right, love y'all and peace. All things slap. There may be a cop car down here. These are really nice.
You have arrived.
It's a white truck. It's a white truck. Hey y'all, now I'm gonna finish this Randonautica from last night. The third one with the white truck. I don't know if the white truck's still there or not, but I still haven't gone to the point, so that's why we're going back. I forgot what the intent was, but oh, cop car. That's right. So it's like a block and a half. So live on peace. We'll take the last night. Trying to figure out why Randonautica took us here. I think I took that. So that the white truck was there after all. Yeah. Yeah, the white truck was there. Strange how that had been gone already, but I guess wasn't. I'm not saying that's the same white truck. There's so many white trucks around here, you know. I'm wearing a jacket. I thought it was cold out here, but actually it's getting nicer. Alright, you know the drill. If anything